Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing great. We're starting a new vlog today. Let me sit down and talk to you guys real quick, okay? I'm at work. I am so upset because I lost footage once again. It's so annoying. Like, my phone last night was saying it's used up to like 90%, so I need to make some space. And in my head, in my mind, I'm like, I know I have a vlog that I started editing, but it's not finished, so I'm gonna try to delete everything around it, everything, and not touch it. Obviously, I deleted, and not only that, I delete all of my background music. I only have one left, and I'm like, oh, this background music was so fire. Like, a lot of people tell me they like it, they love it. Where do I get it from? It's so annoying. Now I have to find more background music, and it's not easy to find. I don't know, all my stuff gone. It went down to 40%. And I was thinking, I'm like, oh, that's a lot. Like, it freed up a lot of space. Not knowing I delete all my stuff, all my good stuff. And this vlog was going to be an awesome vlog. It was a good vlog. Now I have to recreate that vlog sometime later for you guys, because the stuff that I was doing in it, I definitely want to share with you guys. Let me do my intro real quick, because what's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, wagwan YouTube family. Hey guys, I had to do my intro real quick because I noticed we are growing, guys. We got a few new subscribers, and I want to say hey to you guys. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the family, and I hope you like it here, stay here, and just be active. Okay, we're finally over 500 subscribers. Okay, I feel like I was stuck at 480 for so long, but thank God we're growing. Okay, thank you guys for clicking subscribe, for clicking like, and for clicking on the video when I post. Like, appreciate you guys so much. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm on my lunch break and eating a lot of food today. So this is my lunch slash dinner. I have some boil up, I have dumpling, carrot, and potato, and some greens. This callaloo. Well, I'm gonna eat callaloo. Jeez, yeah, you guys know I moved recently, so I have a Jamaican landlord, and she gave me some callaloo yesterday, and I'm like, oh, I had mackerel in the cupboard long time that I supposed to cook, and I just keep ignoring it. I keep overlooking it. So when I got this callaloo, you have to cook up the callaloo with like saltfish. They didn't have any saltfish, so I said let me do it with the mackerel. So, and guys, let me eat first. Oh, you can eat. So guys, what I'm doing this year, what I have been doing so far for like a month now, it's gonna be a part of my weight loss journey. Yes, I'm trying to lose weight, okay? But I'm not going to starve myself or go on a diet or anything crazy like that. So I'm working out, and I'm portion controlling. I'm gonna be eating less. So what I've been doing is I come to work, I make sure I have tea sometimes like by 10 o'clock, and then at 12 o'clock then I'll eat something to like hold me over. Okay, probably a noodles or cereal or oats smoothie, whatever. And then for lunch I'll be eating my dinner, which this is my dinner. So 3 o'clock I normally take my lunch. 2 o'clock or 2:30 or 3 o'clock, right now it's 3 o'clock. So once I eat my dinner at lunch around 3, then I don't eat any dinner when I go home, because I notice I've been eating just because, like, oh, they say it's 3 days, you're supposed to eat 3 times a week, so I'm eating 3 times a week. I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner just because, I'm a foodie, okay? This hurts because I used to eat just to eat, just for the flavor, just to enjoy the food, just because. Okay, but the older you get, the more you learn and grow and experience, then you learn. You're not supposed to eat just to eat or just to savor something. If you're not hungry, you're not hungry. So what I've been doing is not eating when I go home. And if I do eat, I have to eat before 8:30. And it would be something light that you're gonna easily burn off, like some cereal or some oats or some fruits. Get your apple. What else I eat? Like banana, yogurt, smoothie, whatever, something light in the night before 8:30, and then go your bed. Nothing after that. So I've been doing that for like 3 weeks now, and it's a habit now, so it's not that hard to do. I just can't believe I've been eating so much. Anyways, let me go enjoy my food, eat my callaloo, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm off from work and I'm about to do my workout. I am doing this 30-day ab workout challenge. It's called 100 ab 30 day 100 ab workout challenge. So every day for 30 days you're doing 100 rep off an ab workout. Lord, I feel like I can't talk. Anyways, yeah, so like today is 100 leg raises, tomorrow is 100 crunches, the next day is 100 whatever workout. So we're on day 28. Okay, we're almost finished. So once I do my ab challenge, it's normally like 10 minutes, then I go and do my regular workout, which is I normally do a full body and ab workout. Yeah, so I have these to help me. So this is a 10-pound ball, medicine ball that I use. So it's heavy, it's not the regular bouncy ball. I have that, and I have these as well. It's also some sort of ball. I don't know what kind of ball you call these, but if you like sand inside. Yeah, so this is 5 and 5, so also 10. So you do a lot of workout with these. Basically any workout you normally do with your regular weights, you could do with this. Yeah, and then the ball, I do a lot of Russian twists, endless options. Okay, so anyways, I just want to show you guys that really quick. Let me go do my workout and call it a night. I don't have to cook today, so yeah, I feel good. I could turn in earlier tonight. I'm gonna work out, bathe. I gotta do some overtime, probably 2 hours, and then go relax. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Today they're having a little farewell appreciation party type thing for someone that resigned. Today is their last day, and it's always sad to see people go, but it's bittersweet because if they're leaving, you know, they're going on to bigger and better things. So, you know, go do your thing, bigger and better, grow. So that's always a good thing. That's always awesome. Love to see people growing and excelling and just doing better, you know. So yeah, I'll show you guys some of that. She looks like the girl of my eyes. Devil in a dress, angel with some nightmares. I could have sworn I went to sleep and she was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares. So I came to the arbor to pick up something from Freeport. Trying to get some views, but the view ain't that pretty. All these boats look so old and Yeah, that's what it looks like on this side. On all these trailers, and then on the next side over there is water again. This is the bridge to go to Paradise Island. Oh Lord, when I say that I remember the story, sad news about this lady that jumped off the bridge. Paradise Island. Paradise Island in the back there. You see the orange building, coral, whatever color that is. Yeah. Okay. It's just this little box. She put it in the Timu bag afterwards. But let's open it. It's nothing crazy. Sometimes I buy stuff on Amazon for me and for her. So if I purchase it one time on one invoice, if most of the stuff is for her, then I send it to her in Freeport, and vice versa. If most of the stuff is for me, I'll let it come to NASA, and then I send her stuff to Freeport. So yeah, but let's open it. Let's see. I guess this is top. Alright, cool. Yes, so this is the balloon that I buy on Amazon. This is some gender reveal cannon poppers, but these are like guns, so they could like fire off the guns and then they come out, the color shoot out. Yeah, so I think this is a pack of 8. Anyways, on this I ordered this sunflower oil. Can't see because the lighting. Also buy this on Amazon, but I buy the wrong thing, child. Tell me why I trying to find sunflower oil and I thought it was sunflower oil, and I was trying to make sure it's sunflower and not sunflower. So I think they tricked me and I put sunflower in there in the cart and they give me freaking sunflower. Anyways, because the safflower oil is very good for your skin, and I was looking for something for my face, and I used the safflower before that I got from my mom, and every other oil like irritate my face, because yeah, my face have stuff going on. So the safflower oil is the only one that doesn't really irritate my face, so I wanted to get some more of those. But I'm gonna end up using the sunflower oil for my hair and skin, and not on my face, but for my hair and skin. So yeah. And then she sent me pills, capsules, because I asked her if she have any, because she make natural capsules like moringa, bladderwrack, what else, sea moss, and yeah, all those other pills. So this is bladderwrack capsule, and these look like moringa. Yeah. So yeah. Ooh, I get more. Oh, and sea moss. Yes, I love the sea moss capsule. And Nature's Remedy, that's her company. Yes. This is a product that I buy that is really good for you. This is oil of oregano. It's good for you. Like, you just drop some in water and drink it, and it's good for you. It's for seasonal illnesses, like, you know, when it's flu time. Yeah, that really works. So, and I get conditioner, so you know, she sells natural products. Nature's Remedy again. So I have the shampoo already, charcoal activated conditioner and the charcoal shampoo. I have both. And then yeah, she sent these soaps, but these soaps are for me to resell for her. Everything else is mine, personal. Okay, so that's what come in the package. And this what is this? She gonna tell me what it is. Oh, she told me she was sending hair growth. Yes, this is a hair tonic. She also make this. It's a hair tonic that you put in your hair when you wash your hair. You don't have to put it when you wash your hair, but I normally put it in after I wash my hair and my hair is still wet. Like I go through and like spray, put it all over my scalp, and yeah, it's good for your hair.